Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Today we're taking a look at a special shoe that launched through Nike's .swish website, which is their first ever Web3 embedded platform. The Nike TINAJ, or This Is Not a JPEG, Air Force 1. TINAJ stands for This Is Not a JPEG, and I'm sure by now you know what an NFT is. Nike launched .swish and dropped NFT care packages, which you later got access to open if you wanted, and as you can see mine here, I unlocked an NFT or JPEG picture of the What the LA Air Force Ones. Then I have an unopened box. Basically, in order to buy these physical shoes, you needed to have bought one of these virtual shoes previously. Kind of a cool way to keep things exclusive. At a retail price of $120, the Air Force 1 TINAJ is mainly covered in a black pebbled leather, with highlights of smooth white leather along the forefoot. The two-tone design is punctured by a bright blue accent, which includes a mini swish, and the phrase "This is not a JPEG" encircling another mini swish. Underfoot is a translucent outsole, which provides durable traction like any other classical Air Force 1. The box is also inside out, which is pretty cool. As far as the resale value, Air Forces never really resold for a huge margin, but they do have a little room for profit. Most sizes are going for $130 to $150, and the most profitable sizes around $200. I'm personally not a huge fan of Air Force 1s, but I'm sure a lot of people who are love these because the materials are super high quality. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.